So I got this message at 3:06. Oregon, San Francisco, fire, butterflies, earthquake. Tribulation pastors have a chance at redemption. First works saves many. And San Francisco, you must flee, leave the city after the butterfly. I don't know what that means, but you must be gone. You must be out. You must leave. So in the vision I had, the fire was on one side and the earthquake was on the other, and so they couldn't escape the earthquake because the fire was in the way, and so they were trapped in the middle. So if you live on the coast, all the coast is gonna come to the middle of the United States. Oregon, if you haven't left, you must leave now. Coastline. California is boxed in by the fires and earthquakes. No escape along the coast. All on the coast must move inland or to another country. All of those on the coast will be moved into middle countries, and it will be crowded. Food is going to be scarce. There's going to be fighting for living quarters, fighting for food. Borders will be redefined. Passports and papers, facial recognition, chipped tattoos, two choices, AI, reprogram humans. So that's my word. That's not my word, but it's the word I got to tell you, and I'm never happy telling it. And it's not like, look, you don't have to listen to me, and I'm just telling you this because I got it, and I don't want to be right. So either listen or don't. Jesus loves you, and he's coming back soon. Thank God.